build the Golf. Odin, come here. What's this? Nah, he's not interested in golf parts. Welcome back to another golf video, folks. It's always sunny in Nuneaton, where it was until a minute ago. We've got some parts for you today. We've got some new wheels, if you want to show them quickly, Luke. As you can see, there's only actually 2 wheels on the floor. I couldn't wait for Luke, the cameraman, to get here today, so I've already actually put 2 on. Put to a clip of the car with the old wheels. And now cut to the other side with the new wheels. See, they look fucking much nicer, I think. We're going to put these 2 on for you anyway. As you can see, these are the old crusty, horrible ones. That looks like a different size to that one for some reason anyway.
It's just the angle. We're getting the same one.
What do you think to him? He's not a fan. Oh yeah. But yeah, they're the old ones. These are the lovely new ones. They're Silverstone 14-inch teardrops, I believe, with Kennedy Hankook tyres on them. They're pretty much brand new. They've got hardly any wear in them at all, so they'll do us. They'll help us get through the MOT. We also have over here, if you follow me over here, Luke, new old stock blue parcel shelf. I've been looking for one of these for a while. It cost me more money than I'm willing to say on camera because it's kind of embarrassing, but we got one, so we're going to put that in today as well as the wheels, and hopefully it'll start feeling a bit more like a car. Well, a complete car. It feels like a car anyway. Then we have this box. Most of this stuff eBay, and this box VW Heritage for a lot of it. Yeah, you're interested in this one, aren't you? Right. We've got paperwork again. This is eBay. I didn't have any paperwork with mine, so it is 1989 stamped. Mine's 1990. That kind of annoys me. It does kind of work, but I want to get another one that says 1990. The guy did say this said 1990 as well, so it's a bit annoying. What else we got? Oh, ashtray, as I mentioned in the last video or 2. Needed one of them for the front centre dash, so we've got one. eBay again. We've got this pipe. Luke, guess how much this costs? How much would you think a pipe like this would cost you?
I'm going to front you around 50.
Yeah, that's because I told you yesterday. You meant to play it down for the camera. God's sake, yeah. £54 basically for this piece of pipe. And it is an amazing piece of pipe. Like, me and Aidan were looking at it like, oh my god. But this is for the air filter box to the panel filter. Needed one. These go out of stock basically as soon as VW Heritage get them in. We tried to get it from Volkswagen Direct, but it's like 80 quid instead of 50 quid. So VW Heritage, if you need one of these, I suggest you get one. What else we got? What else we got, Luke? Oh, little flappy things so the parcel shelf stays in position properly. I can't remember what they're called, but
hooks.
Flappy things. Flappy things is a much more technical term. New clip for the sun visor mirror, I believe this is. Yeah, I'll get a close up on that, Luke. Look at that.
There he's half.
Beautiful. So we're going to fit that later. I've got an oil filter and slump plug. I think that's what it is. Yeah. Slump plug nut, washer, oil filter. I've got a load of oil as well, so I need to do an oil change, but I want to do a compression test and a couple other bits first before I get to that. And the main thing for this delivery, the most important thing, I mentioned the other day that the carb's leaking. It's actually the accelerator pump on it which is leaking. So I've got a rebuild kit, and have a look at how many parts are in a Peerberg 2E2 carb. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it properly, but there's fucking hundreds of things in there, man. I was going to rebuild the carb with Aidan, but after looking at this, I don't really want to touch it, so I think we're going to get our mate who's a whiz with carbs and engines to probably rebuild it, because that's just crazy. And the last one was, again, for the carb, it's the flange. So that should completely rebuild the carb and get the carb running and everything. I know what you're going to say, get a Weber and throw the Peerberg in the bin, and that's what I will be doing when funds are better, but together this was about 30 quid, so I thought, well, probably 50 quid in total, what with labour, is much better than paying like 300 quid and then fitting it yourself. At the minute, I'm being tight, but that's all the parts. We're going to go take these other 2 wheels, get them on the car, show you a bit of B-roll of how good it's looking, get all these other parts on for the interior and stuff, and should be the first or second, technically second golf build video. Odin's excited, look at him. Look, he's raring to go. To the Golf. basically we're going to change these horrible crusty ones, these nice new ones here, and chuck these disgusting things away because as you can see they're horrible.
We'd just like to put a disclaimer in that you shouldn't try and take wheels off on a slanted driveway with no axle stands and a terrible scissor jack. That's all.
Look at that, get close up on that, man. Look how crusty the brake drum is. Oh, gonna need new ones of that, both sides. So there's the old horrible crusty one, get rid of that. And here, it's a nice new Silverstone. Let's get this bad boy on. Sick, man. What do you think?
That looks great, man.
Way better than the fucking old ones anyway. So the back wheel on this side, this isn't actually on, I've just put it there to have a look what it looked like. And now I can't get it off. We'll just leave it there. Wheels on the other side are done, back wheel on this side's done. We're going to do the front wheel on this side now, and that's all them done. Then we're going to get the parcel shelf in and a few other bits in the interior. But so far, I think these look fucking really nice, man. Drop us a thumbs up, everyone out there, if you like them. Drop us a comment if you're a fan of the Silverstone teardrops or if you prefer the Pirelli P-slots. I don't really like the P-slots myself. I think these are a lot nicer. So yeah, man, I'm stoked on these. Let's get on to the fucking next one before it rains.
Bit of a struggle there, Gaz.
Yeah, just a little bit. So now that the wheels are on, next thing we're going to do is get this parcel shelf on. At least that's a nice easy job. Then we're going to put the clip in, obviously the book and ashtray, and that'll probably call it a day. Obviously I'm not going to rebuild the car. And I'm not going to put that expensive pipe on until the car's rebuilt because there's just no point. So yeah, should we get this on? Nice, easy install. Today, everything, to be fair, everything today is more easy. Right, before I actually put it in, I need to get these little things.
The hooks?
Yeah, well basically, you pull through from that side, that gets stuck, and then it hangs somewhere. Alright, right, gotta get this side in as well.
Having trouble finding the oil there, Gaz?
Just about, there we go. Nice and easy. Right, so they're in. Like you see.
Yep.
What I'm about to do, all I've got to do is hook them on these little black bits. Like so. Voila! Parcel shelf, look at that man. It's actually becoming a car now. Well, more of a car. And put my bits in here out of sight. Well, I mean, they're in a garage anyway, so they're out of sight. But for the rest of the day, Luke, you want to know what we're doing?
What are we doing, guys?
Very easy. Putting the ashtray in. Putting that in the glove box. And putting this little sun visor clip on, and that is pretty much today's video. Alright, last couple of jobs for the Golf today. Ashtray. It's a very easy job. You watching, Luke?
I'm not sure I can handle this.
You ready?
But you said it was an easy job.
Installed.
There we go.
The Golf paperwork. You ready for the biggest install? The hardest one on the channel. Installed.
Boom!
And then this one I am actually going to have to get a tool out for. Look at that, look how horrible that is. Come on, show 'em.
Slightly discoloured, guys.
I think it is.
Did you get 2 of those clips?
No, I only got 1. That's stupid.
Man.
I knew I should have got 2, but...
Hindsight's 2020.
I'm going to get some tools and let's get this bad boy off.
Alright.
Right, for the last job then, putting this clip there, which shouldn't be too hard. I think I just unscrew. Actually, I'll take this off first. Get that out of the way. Unscrew, pull it off, put the other one in, and
Keep track of the screw.
keep track of the screw. The trusty trim tool. That bit was easy. Now let's hopefully be able to slot this in without it breaking. Oh.
Never a good sign when you say oop.
No, it was a good oop.
It was a good oop.
It was a, oh, that's one in. And now, quick screw up. Oh, ready for it. Right, so that's about it for this episode anyway. We've got the new wheels on, we've got the parcel shelf and the little stringy things on. Got the ashtray, got the paperwork in, and got this little clip in. The last episode we did the audio, so it's coming together now. I'm not sure what the next video is going to be. It's probably a how-to. I know I've got to take the fuse box out, so I'll probably do a video on that. Video on the air vents coming up as well. A couple of other bits and bobs like that, but make sure you comment below and let us know what videos you want to see. Drop us a like and subscribe to the channel to stay notified of all these videos that we do, and we'll see you on the next one.